Hello, and welcome to Clue. Today, we're going to show you how to host one-on-one meetings in Clue. Hi, Paulina. How are you?
Hi, Jussi. Good, thank you. What about you?
Good, thanks. What is on your agenda for today's one-on-one?
Yeah, today the plan is to review our blogs of 2022, see which topics perform well, and discuss which ones we should focus on in 2023.
Right. I see you prepared some materials here.
Yeah, here is a table with our 2022 blogs where we can see which topics we covered.
Did you compare the performance of each of these?
Yes, I identified 3 top performing blogs based on website visits.
Yeah, okay, I can see. How did the other blogs perform?
Overall, all the blogs perform well, but these 3 got the most traction, and I think that these 3 topics we should also address this year.
Okay. But I think we should also review the performance in more detail, add some statistics from the social media posts with these blogs as well.
Yeah, sure. Then I'll let it.
Good. Let's review the content plans next. And that's Clue in action for one-on-one meetings.